welcome back to a burst of flavor cooking on Nat 4 Island Living. This morning we're going to be making spinach or callaloo pockets. So guys, I'm standing here in front of my callaloo batch, and I guess these will be the last cutting from this callaloo garden. They produced very well this year, but as the winter is setting in, you can see that they're seeding. And so I'm going to try to salvage as much of the fresh soft plants as possible, as well as the leaves, to make these callaloo pockets. I got about 3 cups of callaloo after I washed and cut them up. And so I'm going to go ahead and saute these with some onions, garlic, black pepper, salt as basic seasonings. I might throw some fish in it as well. But you go ahead also and saute your spinach or your callaloo according to your liking. So after sauteing my callaloo, I have about 1.5 cups of callaloo to work with, which is more than sufficient. I probably won't need more than 1 cup of callaloo. We can go ahead and get started with the pastry for these callaloo pockets. Sieve together 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Give it a quick little mix to make sure that all these dry ingredients are properly combined. Now add 1/2 cup of very cold cubed butter and use your hands to knead the flour mixture together with the butter. Use about 2 tablespoons of very cold ice water to help you to bring that dough together. Once your dough is formed, lightly flour surface and get ready to roll out the dough. Start by cutting the dough into 3 equal pieces. Roll each piece of dough into about 1/4 inch thick pieces and cut them into circles about 5 inch diameter. Now spoon some of this spinach callaloo filling onto the rolled out dough that you have before you. Taking care not to overpack the shells, because you need it to be able to close without any of that filling seeping through the edges. Close it and crimp the edges with your finger as tight as possible to seal in the filling. And guys, bring on the inventiveness and the creativity. Add some cheese to one of the pockets, or even add some cheese to the callaloo filling that is in one of the pockets. And this is also going to be a tasty burst of flavor treat as well. Have fun with this recipe, guys. If you have kids, invite them to join you. This entire process can be delightful from beginning till end. Once your pockets have been filled and formed, bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. That's it, guys. Enjoy your spinach callaloo pockets. And remember, until next time, walk good.